Girl Daisy. Good boy, Quincy. Good boy, Chewy. So Chewy is with us for daycare today, and Quincy loves it because now he has someone to run with. So he's constantly following Chewy. And Daisy is one of those older pups that they're older, and they have sort of arthritis or something, like their legs are kind of weak, their joints are kind of weak, but as soon as they hit the park, they turn into spring chicks, and they're literally running on adrenaline, I think, because it's like they just don't even know their age and their limitations. So she's like trying to run, even with her hind legs being not very strong. She runs kind of like she does a bunny hop. So today's supposed to be warmer, but we are in the bushes, so I find it helps a lot. It cuts the wind down and stuff. So, but I find, like, on our way here, we had to kind of go in an open area, and it was still quite cold with the wind. So the wind just really kills things when it gets to be winter, I find. But we're in Sherwood Park, actually, so we're at Deer Mound. And it is one of my favorite parks at certain times of the year. It's a terrible park in the spring because of all the mud, but in the winter it's a great park. In the summer it's a great park, minus some of the slough areas. So sometimes I have dogs that will know where the sloughs are, or will seek them out, and then they come out kind of black, and that's not great. Did you lose him? Where's Chewy? Come here. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Did you lose Chewy? He is too fast, isn't he? Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, bud. Good girl, Daisy. Yeah, Daisy she loves it out here in the park. Yeah, I was thinking earlier of like taking her for a walk around the neighborhood, and then leaving her at home, because Chewy is very active, and so is Quincy. But I think what I might do is do a couple of walks, so I won't make it a very long walk because of Daisy. And then, because we're in the south side, I have my brother that lives close by, so we'll just stop by Mill Woods, and Daisy can stay there for the second walk. Yeah, because I definitely don't want to take her on an extended walk, because then she just will not be able to walk the next day. Like even right now, her feet is kind of starting to give. She won't admit it, just like any old person. Ha ha ha. Nobody wants to admit they're getting old. What you doing? Oh, what you doing, Quincy? Well, tomorrow should be a lot supposed to be above 0 tomorrow, so I don't know if that'll still be the case because they do kind of update the weather the closer to the date it gets. Good girl, Daisy. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, Quincy. Oh, here come a couple more dogs. A couple more friends. Good boy, Quincy. Good girl, Daisy. See what I mean? She hops like that. Good job, guys.